Hey, how can you get the most out of your Cantu products? I'm Dion Smith, Cantu's natural hair education expert, and I'm going to share some tips with you today.
Let me show you how to apply the leave-in conditioning lotion. So as you can see, I'm taking the lotion, I'm applying to the hair, and I'm just making sure that all of the hair has the product all over it. I'm applying it in small sections, section by sections, working it through to the ends, and then I'm taking my detangling comb, starting from ends to roots, I'm detangling the hair. Now I'm going to twist that section after completing it and pack it away with a sectioning clip and repeat the process on the rest of the hair.